Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing our new topic, that is TypeScript versus JavaScript. What is the difference between these two concepts? Okay, first one we can able to see the point which like before starting you can go through that my previous video, that is the introduction like overview about the what TypeScript and how the TypeScript is coming and who developed it, is a open source or not, and what all the advantages are presented. Those all the information are provided there. Okay, if you say that, it will help you for to understand that what exactly this TypeScript can help you. Okay, now coming to the picture here. Now JavaScript is a scripting language which helps you create interactive web pages interactive web pages. And the same thing, a TypeScript also is an object oriented programming language and superset of javascript language. Okay, and second point you can able to say javascript code does not need to compile any code, because whenever you create the file, you create that code and then you can directly run the file. We can able to see the code in runtime. If you face something issue, you can able to get it from runtime. There is no compile time errors identification. Okay, but TypeScripting code be need to be compiled. Without compile, you can't able to run for this TypeScripting, because once you compile a TypeScripting coding, it will convert it into a JavaScript file. By using the JavaScript file, we can able to run that one into a web. Then we can able to identify that particular issues or anything. But it required to compile the file. Any error is presented in the code level, you can able to identify before compiling the code itself. Okay, once you type it and you can able to get it from the error form itself in the IDE. Okay, we have n number of IDEs supporting in the market. Without IDE also, like a Notepad and Node++ also, we can able to do it by typing our TypeScripting code or JavaScript coding. Okay, third point we can able to say JavaScript, there is no static typings. Example, like we can able to say example where num, we can able to declare it. Okay, there is a type. We don't know up to running for that particular file. We don't know that what type of value it is carrying. Those things we don't know. But in TypeScripting, there is a typing. Static typing, we can declare a variables with data type. Example, we can able to say where num is there, and you can able to make it for colon and number. If you mention this kind of information, then what will happen? It will treat as, yes, this particular variable is related to that number variable. You can need to assign a number variable in it. Like this, we can able to identify. Okay, and a fourth case, we can able to say JavaScript, it does not have any interface. But typescripting, it is having interface. Okay, this is another advantage of TypeScripting. And fifth point, you can able to say JavaScript, it has no optional parameter future. JavaScript, it does not have any optional parameter future, but typescripting it has optional parameter future, because it is advanced concept, that's why it is having those things. And also it has JavaScript. In the sixth point you can able to say JavaScript, it has no rest parameter future. This rest parameter future I'll explain you on that next concepts. You can able to say that is give you very helpful to you also. Okay, it has a rest parameter future. And seventh point we can able to say generic JavaScript, generic not supported, generic methods not supporting. Okay, but typescripting can able typescripting generics supported. And eighth point you can able to say module development. In JavaScript, modules not supporting. Okay, but typescripting having module support. This module, why modules means, if you use any coding with the one file you created, okay, one file you created the code with the typing of your entire code, that code you can able to access in the global level. You can continuously access without any issue itself. Okay, once you get the running and you can able to access without any failure, that will gives you security issue, right? To do that, typescripting can support the module support without some restrictions. The user can able to get some restriction to access that particular variable, changing the variable and modifying the variable. Those all the things it will provide it. This also will discuss into the later video sessions. Okay. And also JavaScript supports a number, a strings are the objects. Inside a JavaScript, when you create the numbers are the objects. Okay. Whereas TypeScript inside a number, string are the interfaces. When it is coming the TypeScripting, number and strings are interfaces. This is all about for difference between this TypeScripting versus JavaScripting. I hope it will help you. What are the difference we discussed in this particular video, right? This all the things we'll see into step by step into next video sessions after installation. And next video session is going to installing for how to configure into your Node.js and all, like what all the software is required and how to install that and how to configure into this TypeScripting into your IDE and how you can able to write a sample test case. These are all the things I'm explaining in the next video session. I hope this information will help you to understand. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.